How to easily fix your Litmatch application on your device has been banned. Now, this specific tutorial is only for certain users in which the account was banned without any possible reason. So possible reason could be some glitches or cracks. So all you have to do first is just go directly from the application itself. And then if you locate it, just simply tap and hold on your Litmatch application and head straight to the eye icon. And here, this is the most generic troubleshooting step that you can try. At the lower right portion of your screen, you should be able to see clear data. Make sure to comply both with these selections or options right here, like clear all data and clear cache. And once done, just simply rerun the application and check if it is already working. If not, your last resort is just to go straight to wherever you have downloaded the app and then just simply uninstall the application and try to reinstall again so that you will be getting the latest version of the app. If not, then your last thing that you can do is just to actually pay the specific diamonds that you need for you to be able to still use the application. So that's basically it. That's how you can easily fix your Litmatch app when your device has been banned.